attention, son. This is for your own good.
An octopus, as we all know, is a sea creature with 8 legs. An octagon is a geometric shape with 8 sides. An octave, the 8 notes on the musical scale. So why isn't October the 8th month on the calendar? Today on Transit TV, let's find out. Blame the ancient Romans for October being conspicuously out of place on the modern calendar. Back in those days, October stood in its proper place, the 8th month in a 10-month calendar: January, February, March, April, May, June, September, October, November, December. Octo is Latin for the number 8. The problem was the 10-month Roman calendar only had 304 days in it. And as we all know, it takes planet Earth 365 days plus a few hours to make one complete orbit around the sun. So the Romans inevitably found that the warmth of springtime in one year, just a few years later, had turned a lot colder than it used to be. That's because the calendar was out of whack. So what did they do? They added 2 more months, each with about 30 days, to make up the difference. But for some reason, instead of tacking them on after the 10th month, December, which would have left October in the 8th slot, they stuck them in the middle of the year, after the 6th month of June. July replaced September as the 7th month and was named July in honor of Julius Caesar. August nudged October as the new 8th month and bumped it back to the 10th slot. It was named after Emperor Caesar Augustus. What other English words are based on the Latin octo that the Romans screwed up with their incompetent calendaring? How about octuplets, 8 babies? Octogenarians, people in their 80s. And this other word, which will be the extra credit question to follow. See if you know the answer. I'm the Transit TV teacher, Justin Vior.